Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix Haptic Keyboard not working in iOS 17. First of all, open the settings of your iPhone. Click on Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down and turn off the system haptics and then turn it on. Now, go back and click on the General option. Scroll down and tap on Shut Down. Slide to power off the device and then turn it on. Now, go to the phone settings again. Click on Sounds and Haptics and scroll down. Turn on the system haptics. Go back and go to General and then Software Update. Now, if the update is available, download and install it. That's how you can fix the Haptic Keyboard not working in iOS 17. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.